Very quiet in here. Would you like to join us for this last EVP session at the end of the night? Please make your presence known.
There's water.
That's the meter.
The meter's chirping you.
Yes. We're at 71 degrees, steady.
I'm at 73 over here.
You were here with us earlier tonight. We thought we'd come back at the end of the night and visit you again.
Greg really did.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah, it's barely even
There's a load
showing
on
up on the video.
There's a load on it. I just look back and it's dim. Can you shut off the flashlight like you did earlier tonight?
Meter stopped.
Yeah. You don't want to play with us? Okay, you're back.
Why don't you turn that flashlight off for us? Let us know you're here. Meter stopped again. Are you not interested in having us here?
Alright, we'll try the reverse. We'll turn the flashlight off and see if you can turn it on. You're awful quiet.
Will you please turn the flashlight?
Okay. Okay, there you go. So you're here. It's good to talk to you again. Glad you're back. I'll give you a different laser for this.
I should turn the red one on.
No, let's not make it upset now.
The big red grid.
Wait, the first time I ever got set up with a laser grid, you guys gave me the red one.
Yeah.
Oh
You
yeah.
got that thermal. Yeah, you gave us the red one.
That's what we're trying to protect you.
And then
That worked
you got
well.
that thermal of that thing right next to me.
Yeah, we're better next to you than on top of you.
It's gonna follow me around all night. Starting in that room.
You're here, not really playing too much, just kind of touching stuff here and there.
It's kind of been that way all night. I'm just kind of pick and choose.
Did that get dark out there? Did that dim?
I think so. Up in the hallway.
Yeah, dimmed in the boiler room. Did look
Who leaves a chair in the middle of the room?
Maybe that's the way it's
and now it's 69.
Kind of thought I felt a little bit of a temperature change over here, like along my legs. It kind of felt like it went down slightly.
Can you turn that flashlight off or on in the corner? Seems like somebody's hanging out back there. discretion hold.
Yeah. Yeah, K2 meter ain't even going off. No, nothing. Getting nothing. Check the mark here.
See you guys.
All right.
Take it easy. 15 in.
Yeah, go ahead and,
Stop it.
let's go ahead and end the EVP session.
All right. EVP session number 5. Not sure which one it is in this room.
It's the,
Third in this one because we did 2.
oh, of course, we're turning stuff off in here. And there goes the light. And lights out.
Once you got the camera in the room,
Oh, exactly.
it's over there.
No.
Oh, the other one?
The one that I was using to see.
Did you already turn it off?
No, I didn't. Yeah, go ahead and stop it.
End of EVP session in the boiler room at the end of the night. First session at the end of the night. Bye.
And we're out.
And the lights come back on.
Of course it is.
You starting to have fun with us again?
Now that
When
we've
you did that?
turned the EVP off, the recorder.
So you don't want us to record you laughing at us? Oh, the lights back on. And the lights on again. Yeah.
Every light in the house is on.
69.1.
Woohoo.
Curious. What time is it anyway?
What's that?
What is it?
What's that?
1:30.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. 30 minutes before they shut this stuff down.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I mean, it's not exactly as it was the first time we were down here. It's
No,
kind of
it's-
weird because usually all the shit hits the fan after midnight.
Right. Yeah.
This is
Did
the
you hear that?
Yes.
I haven't, what was that?
Is there somebody out there? I heard it was that.
I'm going mobile.
I've heard that like 3 times. Oh my God, really?
There's nobody back here. At least a person.
He's definitely like, not like a bunch.
Ain't nobody in here.
Did you bring a friend? Person that's messing with the flashlight, did you bring a friend down here?
Oh, it's 69 something. No, it's 70.
Lights out in here now.
You turn the flashlight back on?